Good morning, students. Today we will read about the chapter Resources. What are resources? Anything that fulfill our needs is a resource. The water we drink, the food we eat, means of travel, electricity, means of communication are all resources. Types of resources. There are three types of resources: natural resources, human resources, human-made resources. What is a natural resource? A natural resource is anything people can use which comes from nature. People do not make natural resources but gather them from the earth. Examples of natural resources are air, water, trees, plants, soil, sun, and wind. Depending upon the stage of development, resources can be divided into two types: actual resources, potential resources. Actual resources. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known. These resources are being used in the present. Examples: rich deposit of coal in Germany, petroleum in West Asia, dark soil of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra. Potential resources. Resources which are found in an area but not have been utilized, however, due to lack of requirement. For example, Rajasthan and Gujarat has enough potential to produce solar energy due to cloudless sky and more temperature. Based upon the origin of resources, resources are abiotic and biotic. Abiotic resources. Abiotic resources comprise non-living things. For example, include land, water, air, and minerals such as gold, iron, copper, silver, etc. Biotic resources. Biotic resources are living. Plants and animals are biotic resources. Natural resources can be categorized into two types: renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are those materials, energy, and water sources that can quickly replenish after human exploitation. Non-renewable resources. A non-renewable resource is a natural substance that is not replenished with the speed at which it is consumed. On the basis of distribution, resources can be ubiquitous and localized. Ubiquitous resources. The resources that can be found everywhere. For example, air, light, water, etc. Localized resources. Localized are those that can be found only in certain parts of the world. For example, copper and iron ore, thermal power plant, etc. Human resources. A person who is doing something useful for the society is called a human resource. A human effectively utilizes a resource when she has skill, knowledge, and education. These three factors invent technology to explore and discover the resources given by the nature. Human-made resources. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, and vehicles, which are known as human-made resources. Conserving natural resources. Precautions should be taken to conserve all the natural resources. Renewable resources like solar and wind energy should be used as an alternative for commercial purpose. This would help in conservation of natural resources, thus protecting mankind and the other living creatures on the earth. Our future is in our hands to protect and conserve the resources for the coming years. What is meant by sustainable development? The goal of sustainable development is to enable all people throughout the world to satisfy their basic needs and enjoy a better quality of life without compromising the quality of life of future generations. We do not inherit this earth from our parents. We borrow it from our children. Thank you.